Complete solution of class 10 mathematics under the syllabus of Board of Secondary Education Manipur. All recorded and edited by I. Salame Krishna Singh, lecturer, Sultan Higher Secondary School, Imphal. Chapter 4. Problems involving pair of linear equations into variables. Variable anigi equation linear equation jura ama solve tobagi problems. Exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Divide 250 into two parts so that 3 times the first part and 5 times the second part together make 950. 250 bu part ani thona khaidu u ahanba part ki saruk ahunga ani suba part ki saruk manga ga punjilaga 950 tahalo. Let x and y be the two parts, be the first part and the second part of 250. By question, we have x plus y equal to 250. Maramdi 250 bu part ani thona khaidu haibani part ani du x y mathang sina lawrabadi makhoi ani gi sum aduna 250 ga managari, which is equation 1. And first time 3 times of the first part, that is twice x. 5 times of the second part, that is 5y. Together make 950 haragadi. Their sum should be 950, which is equation 2. From equation 1, we have y equal to 250 minus x. Y dagi equation 1 dagi y do in terms of x to form to a massive equation 3 and correct. Putting the value of y from equation 3 to equation 2, we get thrice x plus 5 times of y की value the 250 minus x equal to 950. Expand tore equation thrice x plus 5 into 250 the 1250 minus 5 times of x the 5x later equal to 950. X thrice x ka minus 5x ka the sum the minus twice x phange. 1250 na right thanga the si phangani mabani ki difference the minus 300. X की value दो minus 2 ना minus 300 टी अलबदी 150 फंगे. X की value खांगे फंगे value असी equation 3 दे सिंजल लगा y की value पुतोपोंगा मनी. From equation 3 we get y equal to 250 minus x की value दी 150, that is 100. Thus the two parts of 250 are 150 and 100. मबानी के sum ना 250 टाइम. Question 2. There are two numbers when one is added to each of the numbers, their ratio becomes 1:2, and when 5 is subtracted from each, their ratio becomes 5:11. Find the numbers. Number ani lay, number ani to the hamada 1 tinjil makoi khuding makta 1 tinjilabadi number ani ki ratio do 1:2 ni. Number khuding makta ki 5 khaidok labadi number sing ki ratio do 5:11 or number sing do putu u haibani. Let x and y be the two numbers. By question, we have number ani to the 1 tinjilabadi have any number animaki 1 tinjil makoi ratio have the 1:2 have any x to 1 tinjilo y to 1 tinjilo x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 c 1:2 have the 1/2 bani. Asidagi kone linear equation number same si cross multiply, we have 2 na x plus 1 puridi we get this 1 ga y plus 1 ga purinadi y plus 1. Simplify, we get twice x plus 2. Then y assume transfer to abadi twice x minus y 1 na left thang abadi 2 minus 1 the 1 tare, which is equation 1. Again, anis when 5 is subtracted from each, their ratio becomes 5:11 haibani, and x tagi 5 khaidokro y tagi 5 khaidokro x minus 5 ta y minus 5 ni yellow makoi ki ratio si 5:11 haibani masibu 5/11 haine igani. Cross multiply toroni 11 times of 11x minus 55 5 cross multiply torodi 5y minus 25. Equation number phange 11x minus 5y minus 30 equal to, which is equation 2. Equation 1 amasung 2 dagi any algebraic method ama sizinaraga x amasung y solve togani. From equation 1, we have equation 1 dagi koina y ki value puto twice x plus 1 masi equation 3 hana kaure. Phangiba y ki value equation 3 da phangiba y ki value asi 2 da sinjalasi. Putting the value of y from equation 3 to equation 2, we get y da 11x minus 5 times of y की value the twice x plus 1 minus 30 equals 0. Simplify to we get x equal to 35. X 35 fange equation 3 is sinjalabadi. From equation 3 we have y equal to 2 into 35 plus 1, that is 71. Thus the two numbers are 35 and 71. The sum of digits of a two-digit number is 12. Digit ani yawa number amagi digit singi sum is 12 ne. If the digits are interchanged, the number is increased by 18. Digits sing adu pham onthokna rabadi number adu 18 chawkhatkani. Find the number. Number to put two digit number the digit ani da units place, digits at tens place harani. Let x and y be the digit in tens place and units place respectively. Then the number is unit tens place label number that 10 plus units place label digit to half 10x plus y number adu oigani. Hariba number asi interchange sarobadi 18 oigani haven 18 hangakani haveni. By question we have number anidugi sum 12 tie x plus y is 12 which is equation 1 and number singadu intercept number singa sida 18 hapchalabadi number singado digit singdo interchange karaga common number haibadi 10y plus x na interchange karaga common number duni adu hanagi number asida 18 hapchalabadi new interchange karaga digit sing interchange karaga common number sorani masi koina linear equation into variables transfer karaga koina only 9 divide to the x minus y is minus 2 which is equation 2. Question 1 amsung 2 the any algebraic method ama sizinaraga solve togani mafam asida di elimination method na phaidegi phani adding torani. From equation 1 we have equation 1 dagi koina y gi value kaya phange 12 minus x masi the method of substitution ni masi equation 3 kore value putting the value of y from equation 3 to equation 2 we have the x minus of y की value 12 minus x equal to minus 2 x solve torabadi x की value to 5 phange x की value is equation 3 the sinjalabadi we get 7. From equation 3 we have y equal to 12 minus x की value is 5 12 minus 5 is 7. Thus the number is x की value da khona 5 is 10 into 5 plus y की value da khona phangju value 7 absolutely 57 which is the required number. Question 4. The sum of the two digits of a two-digit number is 9. Two-digit number amagi digit anigi sum to 9. If 9 is added to the number 9 absolutely the digits are reversed. Digits sing ado pam onthong naraga phangba 9 absolutely number do digit onthong naraga phangba number do I find the number. Let x and y be the digits in tens and units places respectively. Amagi ka amasung taragi ka amasung amagi kada leba masing sing adu mathang sina x amasung y losilla. Then the number is amate taragi kada tens place leba digit the 10 na puriro amagi kada leba number absolutely 10 x plus y which is the required number. Then sum of the digits is 9 and pyramid by question. According to question we have x plus y is 9 which is equation 1. Again number other than 9 hapchilabadi digits sing ado interchange from a number to oi aduga manai havani 10 times of y plus f masi linear equation in two variables ki equation ama phange x minus y equal to minus 1 there is row equation 2 equation 1 amasung 2 dagi algebraic method ama sizinara solve toksi adding equation 1 and 2 1 ga 2 ga adding toro plus y ga minus y ga sum toro di 0 ni x ga di twice x lari 9 ga minus 1 sum up toro di 8 phange. This gives x equal to 4. X equal to 4. From equation 1 we have y equal to 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 that is 5. Thus the number is 10x plus y. X की value दी 4 ni, y की value दी 5 ni. 10 into 4 is 40 ni. 40 plus 5 is 45 ni. तो कदम number दी 45. 5. In a given fraction, the denominator is greater than the numerator by 2. Makhagi masindagi mataki masingna ani heli. If 7 is added to the numerator, mataki masing 7 hapsilabadi, the resulting fraction becomes greater than the given fraction by 1. Phangakwadom phangakwa number aduna chawi amahina chawi apiba fraction adudagi find the fraction. Fraction habisi mathamakhana iba masingamane. Let x and y be the digits in numerator and denominator of the fraction respectively. Fraction nadugi mathatuna x makhaduna y lorasi. Then the fraction is x by y. By question we have mathaki masingadu makhagi masingadu mathatagi ani chawi havani mathaki masing ani hapchalaga y ga manarani which is equation 1. Amuksu 7 asin mathakta hapchalabadi then x plus 7 by y minus x by y mabani ki difference to anob masing adana 1 chaw havani hanagi number dagi fraction dagi 1 to solve toraga, we get this and cross multiply and transfer, we get y equal to 7. Y value 7 phange. Y value 7 simatag equation 1 sinjalabadi. When y is 7, equation 1 gives 7 equal to x plus 2, which gives x equal to 5. Thus, the required fraction is x by y, that is x की value is 5 ni, y की value is 7 ni. Required fraction is 5 by 7. 6. 4 years ago, a father was 9 times as old as his son. Sahi marigi mamangna mapagi sahidu masagi sahigi 9 times kamanai. 8 years hence ngasidagi sahi marigi nipan gi matungdadi the father's age will be 3 times the son's age. Sahi nipan gi matungda oiba mapagi sahido sahi nipan gi matungda oiba masagi sahigi 3 times kamanare. Find their present ages. मखोई प्रेजेंट हौजी ओइबा सही सिंधु पुथु हाइबने हौजी ओइबा सही सिंधु x अमसो y years मथंगसिना लौरसी. Let x years be the present age of the son and y years be the present age of the father. By question y minus 4 हाइबने सही मरी की ममांगदे हौजी ओइबा सही दगी मरी खाइदोकने मपागी सही मरी की ममांगदो ओइबदुदी y नि हौजी की सही से y नि मरी की ममांगदे y minus 4 नि. हौजिकी ओइबा मसागी सही x नि मरी की ममांगदो ओइबदी x minus 4 नि. मतम मदुदा मपागा मसागा लेनरिबा रिलेशन दी मसागी सही की सरुक मापनगा मपागा मानै हाइबनी. मसी कोइ इक्वेशन 1 हन थोले. Then ngasidagi sahi manipan gi matungda oiba makhoi relation di 3 times haibani. Mapagi hauji oiba sahi di y ni sahi nipan gi matungda di y plus 8 urani. Masagi hauji oiba sahi di x ni sahi nipan gi matungda oiba hairaga di hauji lariba sahi x na nipan apsalani x plus 8. Makhoi ani gi marakta leinaba mari adu di 3 times of masagi dana mapaga manai haibani. Equation 2. From equation 1, we have y equation 1 dagi aikoina y की value odu solve tore y equal to 9x minus 32 equation 3 kore. Masi की value is equation 2 the sinjin C. Putting the value of y from equation 3 in equation 2, we get y की value the 9x minus 32 plus x equal to 3 times of x plus 8. Simplify toraga x की value solve tausi x value 8 phange. Masa की hauji oiba sahi se 8 ni. Phangiba x की value is equation 3 the sinjin C. Again, putting the value of x in equation 1, this is we get y equal to equation 3 this is x value is equation 3 this is equation 3. 3 this is we get 9 into 8 minus 32. Mapanipa into 32 lotoker the 40 lere. Thus, the present age of the son is 8 years and that of his father is 40 years. Hauji oiba masagi sahi ni pani mapagi sahi na 14. 7. The present age of a father exceeds that of his son by 20 years. Hauji oiba mapagi sahi da hauji oiba masagi sahi dagi saruk sahi kun heli. 20 years ago sahi kun gi mamangdadi the age of the father was 5 times that of his son. Sahi kun gi mamangdadi mapagi sahi ado masagi sahi gi saruk mangaga mane. Find their present ages makoi gi hauji oiba sahi sing photo. Let x years be the present age of the father and y years be the present age of the son. By question x minus y 20. Makoi gi hauji oiba sahi gi khenaba asi 20 ni. Mapagi sahi dagi masagi sahi khaidokudi 20 phange. Sin equation 1. Equation amaga langani 20 years ki mamangda di x minus 20 equal to 5 times of y minus 20. Sahi kun gi mamangdo oiba mapagi sahi do masagi sahi gi saruk mangaga mane hari sin equation 2. Equation ani sidagi from equation 1 we get s ki value di y plus 20 which is equation 3. S ki value is equation 2 this is in C. Putting the value of y from equation 3 in equation 2, we get equation 1 dagi s की value से equation 1 dagi s की value से x आएगा तब s की value से equation 2 this is we have y s motor y plus 20 minus 20 अतः गिलेंग देना पुथर ऐसे equation से दगी y solve तो उसी y solve तो रबदी we get y equal to 25 और जी y equal to 25 फंगे उसी की value ऐसी equation 3 this is y equal to 25. Again, putting the value of y in equation 3, we get x equal to 9 into 9 y की value si 25 ni y की value si equation 3 da sinjinba y की value 25 hangrabadi what should be 9 plus oigadaba sigi step sima lanba 25 plus 20 is 45. Thus, the present age of the sun is sun ki age to the equinoctial y log y ki value 25 years or and that of his father the x log ki age ki value 45 years. Question number 8. A chair and a table cost rupees 1,200. Choki amaga table amaga apunma maman si arayman si lising ama sanini by selling the chair at a profit of 20%. And at the table at a loss of 5%, there is a profit of 4% all the whole. So here do the 20% tongaga table amana lupa 5% mangaga yonbada haujisu 4% tongi. Upon bagi oni yamabada. Find the cost price of the table and the chair. Joki yamasung table gi amamongi maman putu arrayman putu. Let rupees X and rupees Y be the cost prices of a chair and a table respectively. By question makoi ani upon mamandi x plus y which is given as 1,200 which is equation 1. Then and 20% of rupees x minus 5% of rupees y is 4% of whole 1,200. X piva table amag chair do x piva chair amagi 20% tonge habani atom rupees x study asuk tongani. Then mangi ba table ama the mangi ba 5% adu upon ba y gidi 5% into y amang ba khaido khan atong badagi amang ba khaido khan haujisu tongi harabanina 4% of all the whole habadi 1,200. Masidagi ekon equation 2 asi phang 1 amsu 2 dagi any algebraic method amana y natraga x to solve toksi. From equation 1 we have equation 1 dagi y gi value today 1,000 minus 1,200 minus x which is equation 3 y gi value to this jealousy. Put the value of y from equation 3 in equation 2 we get 20x minus 5 times of y gi value the 1,200 minus x equal to 4,100 putharani. Cross expand and solve x ki value do equation 432 fange. Fange x value is equation 3 this jealousy. Put x equal to 432 in equation 3. We get y equal to 1,200 minus 432. We get 760i. Thus, the cost price of the share is share ki cost price to the equation x ki value or any rupees 432, and that of the table is table ki value the y ki value the low ki bani y ki value the rupees 768 or any. 9. 2 tables and 3 chairs cost rupees 3,500 and 3 tables and 2 chairs cost rupees 4,000. What is the cost of a chair and that of a table? Table ani choki ahum ga purma mansili lupa lising ahum chawani table ahum amasung choki ani ga purma maman lupa lising mari ni choki ama amasung table amagi maman kaya no. Let rupees x and rupees y be the cost prices of a table and a chair respectively. Hariba table amasung choki amamongi mamansi rupees x amasung rupees y ohelasi. By question we have 2 times of table the twice x ni 3 times of chair the thrice y ni mabani ki sum si kaya ka managani 3,500 pyramid which is equal to 3,500 which is equation 1. Again similar nature damuksu laire and table ahungi mamandi thrice x ni choki anigi mamandi twice y ni ani sig sum up the 4,000 pyramid which is equation 2. From equation 1 we get y value to ani silare equation 3 y value si to the stringency. Using equation 3 in equation 2 we get this from which we have to solve x to solve to c x to kona phange 1,000 phange phange x value is equation 3 the stringency. Equation 3 gives y equal to 3,500 minus 2 into x that is 1,000 whole divided by 3 gives 500. Thus, the cost of a table is table given the rupees x log given x value the 1,000 and that of a chair is rupees y value the 500 rupees 500. 10. A farmer sold a cow and a calf for rupees this thereby making a profit of 25% on the cow and 10% on the cow. By selling them for rupees 11,925, he would have realized a profit of 10% on the cow and 25% on the cow. Find the cost price of the cow and the cow. Sambi amasung sanaugi mamal arrayman putu'u haibani. Matang sina makoisingdu x amasung let rupees x and rupees y be the cost prices of a cow and a calf respectively. By question makoi anigi arrayman di x plus y ni masida kaya hapsilli 25% of x haja atong bodo hapsilani amuksu atopa amadiksu tongi cow dagina 25% ni adudi x tadi 25% of x calf sanau amagi di 10% tongi habani y gidadi 10% of y ada arrayman da atong bodo hapsilabadi we get selling price pange 12,750 pange. This solve torabadi we get equation x and y equation number pangani, which is equation 1. Equation 1 is the correct. Secondly, arrayman asida animaki apunba arrayman asida atong bosingda 10% of x, 25% of y hapchilaga amu anoba iwon nama pange 11,925. Masisu solve toraga kone equation simplest form dama thamasi, that is equation 2. 1 amasung 2 dagi aikona khudong chanaba yengaga x amasung y solve togani. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get anisi tinsinarabadi. Anisi adding torabadi we have this x plus y kaya pangasi pangani, which is equation 3. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 we get equation 2 to equation 1 dagi khaido asi akon x minus y pange solve torabadi ruma equation 4 asi pange. 3 ga 4 ga anisi adding torasi. Adding 3 and 4 we get y ani mangani twice x equal to 16,000 pange. This gives x equal to 8,000. Putting x equal to 8,000 in equation 3, the x the 8,000 thamlabadi we get y equal to y ki value the 10,500 take 8,000 log to 2,500 pange. Thus the cost of the cow is rupees 800 and the cost of the calf is rupees 2,500. Question number 11. If we buy 3 tickets for Imphal to Dimapur and 2 tickets for Imphal to Mau, the total cost is rupees 633. But if we buy 2 tickets for Imphal to Dimapur and 5 tickets for Imphal to Mau, the total cost is rupees 642. Find the bus fares from Imphal to Dimapur and Mau. Let rupees x and rupees y be the bus fares from Imphal to Dimapur and Mau respectively. Imphal dagi Dimapur, Imphal dagi Mau with ticket maman singadu rupees x and rupees y on OLC. By question we have 3x plus twice y equal to 633, which is equation 1. And equation 2, twice x plus 5y is equal to 642, which is equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2 so that y ki coefficient ani do mananabagidama we get equation 3 and this equation 5. Subtracting equation 5 from equation 3 we get asi khaidoknarabadi y mang khare 15x taki 11x 4x khaidokhadi 11x phange sigi number dagi sigi number se khaidokhadi 1881 laina, which gives x equal to 171. Putting x equal to 171 in equation 1, we have 3 into 171 plus twice y equal to 633, from which we have y equal to 60. X and y will put. Thus, the bus fare from Imphal to Dimapur is rupees 171 and that from Imphal to Mau is rupees 60. 12. Two stations A and B on a highway are 90 km apart. Highway amada station A and B ga arapasi mabani marakli barapasi 90 km. A car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time. Car amana station A start or car aman B aman atopa car amana B start or matam amatada. If they travel in the same direction, they meet in 9 hours. Maikay manana thominarabadi makoy 9 hours ta unay. But if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour after start. ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅ ꯊꯧꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯂꯕꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯎꯅꯩ. Find the speeds of the two cars. The car from A moving faster. car ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯗꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯎ. A ꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯌꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯁꯤ. Let x km/h and y km/h be the speeds of the cars starting from stations A and B respectively. Then x na y dagi value chaurani. By question we have pung mapan asida mabani unarabanina station A dagi start tawba car gi speed asiga magi pung siga puridi s equal to vt panjalagadi distance tuni amuksu car B dagi start tawba car aduna magi speed na y ni mahana pung mapan da thawde 9y ni mabani gi marakta leba distance adu highway da leba distance adu pung 90 kilometers oy habani adu di 9x minus 9y equal to 900 or 90 divide the x minus y equal to 10 or which is equation 1. And mabani ki speed 2 mabani na po ma sangi badu x plus y have a cd mabani ki ahan bagi case sina mabani ki pong mapanda unaba same direction da salaga unaba po pa le arapa that is 90 x plus 9 mabani speed ani city sinaradi pong ma sa parapa mana po mi sa parapa ani city sinaradi 90 mabani ki lap na 90 oigan. This is equation 2. From equation 2 we get equation 2 dagi y ki value solve to 90 minus x ni masi equation 3 haina thole. Y ki value is equation 1 as sinjensi. Putting the value of y in equation 1 we get y ki value is x minus 90 minus x equal to 10. Sidagi x to solve to x value 50 phange. Phange x value is equation 3 as sinjelasi. Put x equal to 50 in equation 3 we get y equal to 90 minus 50 equal to 40. Thus, the speed of the car starting from station A is 50 km/h x values and the car from B is 40 km/h. 13. 90% and 95% pure mustard oils are mixed to obtain 20 liters of a 92% pure mustard oil. 95% ga 90% ga 95% ga pure oiba mustard oil ani mix tawraga 20 liters ki 92 pure mustard oil ama semi. How many liters of this kind of mustard oil are needed? Thau makal ani maki liter kaya darkar oigadagi. Let x and y be the number of liters of 90% and 95% pure mustard oils respectively. We by question according to question we have x plus y liter masing ani da punjaraga 20 liters star equation 1 and 90% of x and 95% of y equal to 92% of 20 have and this is simplified already. We have this equation 2 equation 1 amasung 2 dagi x amasung y solve to any technique palaga. From equation 1 we have method of substitution pale x value put 20 minus y equation 3 hangi value is jealousy equation 2 da. Substituting the value of x from equation 3 in equation 2 sidagi x value is equation 2 the jealousy we get x value the 18 minus 20 minus y is this si lengana thamana tation the y value solve to see y value solve to the 8 phangibo y value 8 simata equation 3 the see putting y equal to 8 in equation 3 we get x equal to 20 minus 8 that is 12. Thus, quantity of 90% pure mustard oil is 12 liters as values and the quantity of 92% mustard oil is 8 liters. Question number 14 is steamer goes 50 km downstream and 45 km upstream in 5 hours. Steamer amana isingi chain thabada 50 kilometers leave aduga 45 kilometers na upwards to 5 hours to hari posing ki pangto pangami. In 5 hours 8 minutes it can go 50 kilometer upstream and 45 kilometer downstream. Pung manga ge minute ni panda di can go 50 kilometer upstream mathakta mana thogat pangami sina 50 kilometers ni aduga 45 kilometers na downstream ni. Find the speed of this stream ising isendugi speed puthu and that of the steamer have jahaz to gi in still water the level mag speed puthu have and puthu hariba ani se x kilometer amas y kilometer lawrasi. Let x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour be the speeds of the steamer in still water and steamer respectively. Then the speed of the steamer in downstream. Then the speed of the steamer jahaz to in downstream hontabagi speed ising isengi speed ne mahak speed ne ani gi samdo ani x plus y kilometer per hour and upstream the d high still water the labor magi speed aduna speed of the steamer in still water si chawdraga ising isena kala ma taw thado mi ne loi khatpanga mi hairabanina x minus y se kilometer per hour oigani. By equation we have the s by vt, s equal to vt, s equal to vt palabadi s ta v ni yalabadi t phangi pung manga da makoina sapang barapa singdu yengsi 50 have cd man sapara pa doni ma s ta t ni mag speed ni yalo s by vt time ni pung manga da man sali barapa sijmana pung manga da sali barapa di mahangna 50 km satpa da sangba arapa 50 kilometers sigi arapa sigi timing siga ani jipunse laga 5 tar. So similarly 5 hours 8 minutes have said 77 by 15 hours or ani masina makuma hakna loi khatpanga mi ba downstream loi thabanga mi ba 45 ta loi thabagi speed ni helani time ama phangani then si phangani masida changi ba pun timing ni silerani equation ani sidegi koina solve tawani. Mafam asidadi 1 by x plus y u 1 by x minus y b thamaga angka solve tawani. Put 1 by x plus y equal to u and 1 by x minus y equal to b, we get above equation 1 becomes 1 c orani 2 na c orani simplify toroga c phanga equation 3 4 matang sinna thole anis degi u b ahan bagi oni solve tawsi. From equation 3 we get equation 3 degi u ki value c phangani equation 5 thole u ki value put the value of u from equation 5 in equation 4 we get 675 u ki value thamani then atai the length na thamani solve torani simplify torani koina simplify torani b ki value solve torna bhona gani b ki value to c phange but b di kaya ka managi b di 1 by x minus y ni sinjelo adudi implies x minus y to 15 ka mana equation 6. Similarly from equation 5 we have u ki value do saigi phangiba b ki value to sinjelaga simplify torani u di 1 by x plus y which gives x plus y is 25 equation khaidonaraga 15 tinaraga 25 that is solving equation 6 and 7 we get x equal to 20 and y equal to 5 20 ka 5 ko tinarabadi 20 ka 5 15 20 ka 5 to 25 chome. Thus, the speed of the steamer in still water is 20 km per hour and the speed of the steam is 5 km per hour. 15. In a rectangle, if the length is reduced by 5 cm and the breadth is increased by 2 cm, the area is reduced by 40 square centimeter. Karigumba rectangle amada length aduna 5 cm hanthalaba breadth aduna 2 cm hangatlabadi area adusu 40 square centimeter hantai. If however the length is increased by 2 cm and breadth is 4 cm, animak 2 cm 4 cm matang sena hangatlabadi the area is increased by 92 square centimeter and you find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Wadu x amaso y meters centimeters singlos. Let x centimeter and y centimeter be the length and breadth of the rectangle respectively. By question we have an area dx y lere madudagi saigi hanthakiba hengatkiba anidugi area do amu 40 hanthai harabani adudi original area dagi new rectangle area do khaidoga 40 ga mana halani sidagi kona muk solve torani simplest form da equation 1 phange mathang da su amakoi animak length na 2 breadth na 4 hengalale galadi then new rectangle ki area do the x plus 2 into y plus 4 on the into bracket formula pala original area khaido khani 92 hengal habani area do clear solve to see expand or equation 2 or phange 1 amsu 2 dagi any technique sinaraga x amsu y solve to see 1 amsu 2 tinsinare kari ki damak amana minus twice x amana plus twice x ki coefficient ni manare opposite sign ju ore adding tawrani y की value to 12 phange y की value 12 phanga badi from equation 2 we get y value to 12 sinjangara aduga solve to the s की value do aikoina 15 phange. Thus the length of the rectangle is 15 centimeter and the breadth is 12 centimeter or masana taksare. 16. The area of a rectangular garden is increased by 5 square meter if its length is reduced by 2 meter and breadth is increased by 5 meter. Karigumba rectangle mawong leiba garden amagi area si 55 square meter hengatli mayungna length 2 meter hantaraba breadth na 5 meter hengatlabadi. If the length is increased by 2 meter and the breadth by 2 meter, the area is increased by 70 square meter. Find the area of the rectangular garden. Let x meter and y meter be the length and the breadth of the rectangular garden respectively. The area of the rectangular garden is xy square meter. By question we have amana hantabani amani hengatpani masina area de hengatli harabanina new rectangle area minus original rectangle area equal to 55 orani. Expand tawraga khone linear equation in xy ama phanga which is equation 1. Amuksu length 3 hengale breadth 2 hengale new rectangle area the sini masidagi original rectangle khaidokari hengalaki area 70 square meter du phangai. Masisu simplify toroga linear equation into variables to thola equation 2. 1 of 2 dagi any technique ama seasonal xy solve toksi. Equation 1 the 3 na puriro 2 dana 2 na puriro we adugi adding toro ikona ay manghan kare si phangai masidagi s ki value du 17 phangai. From equation 2 we get s ki value to 17 pishila 72 the x 17 pishila the and to solve to y ki value to 10 pange. Thus the area of the rectangular garden the xy have the 17 into 10 that is 170 square meter. 17. A rectangle is of the same area as another which is 4 meter longer and 4 meter narrower. It is also of the same area as a third rectangle which is 8 meter longer and 5 meter narrower. Find the area of the rectangle. Rectangle amagi area sa topo rectangle amagi da length breadth mathang sina 6 meter amasung 4 meter kuhalabra hengatpa amasung handhanba mathang sina oiba area do ga manai. Atopa ahum suba rectangle amagi su length 5 meter hengatlaba adugo breadth na 5 meter hanthalaga manai. Find the area of the rectangle. The rectangle area putu haibani. Let x meter and y meter be the length and breadth of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is xy square meter. By question, hengatpa rectangle area manai haibani. New ani super rectangle area di x plus 6 into y minus 4 ni hani rectangle area xy ka manarani. Expand tawraga linear equation in two variables to equation 1 phange amuksu ahum super rectangle amagi length na 8 henkale hare breadth na manga hantare hare new rectangle area siga hana first rectangle ka mane habani. Expand tawraga linear equation into variables ki equation number 7 there is equation 2 1 amsu 2 solve toksi equation 1 of 5 na puriro adu equation 2 na 4 puriro khaidokna ro we have this karigino x mana na buhana ba 4x ka 20x ka mabani gi coefficient manan gi hairabadi ahan bagi sidana 5 na ani subudana 4 na puriraga coefficient the same sign orabani na subtract togani opposite sign orabadi plus togani. We have this equation si phangai y solve torabadi 20 phangai. From 1 we have hariba y gi value 20 as equation 1 is in the law s gi value solve toksi s gi value 24 phangai. Thus, the area of the rectangle is 24 into 20, that is 480 square meter. Or 18. An annual income of rupees 1,200 is derived from two sums invested, one at 4% and the other at 6% per annum simple interest. Karigumba lupa lising amaga sani si mawong ani the investor amana 4% amana 6% the sahida kabada simple interest da. Investor. If the rates of interest are cents to 5% and 7% per annum simple interest respectively, the annual income derived from the investment is rupees 1,450. Find the sums invested. Thada kipa paisa singi puthu haibani. Income ni asagi 1,200 is ahan bagi rate singa sida pama income ni adu 1,450 is ani suba kangluki rate in the rate of interest na pama ba interest sini adudi thada ki ba paisa makhal ani do sa kaya ke something do kaya no. Let rupees X and rupees Y be the investments at the rate of 4% and 6% respectively. Then interest PRT by 100 ke formula palo first something like interest, second something like interest, and it is 1200. But to simplify to roga equation 1 variable ani equation equation 1 assume na mathangi su 5% 7% de la interest ani sum do 1450 ni simplify to simplest from the equation ani equation equation 2 ani is solve to see equation 1 the 5 na equation 2 the 4 na kari the mark s coefficient ani the man halani what x eliminate to na bagi the mark subtract to we have this equation involving y only y solve to the 10,000 phange. From 1 we have adugumba y ki value equation 1 the singularity s ki value puthokna wa s ki value to 15,000 phange. Thus the sums invested are rupees 15,000 and rupees 10,000 respectively. 19. A man invested rupees 36,000, a part of it at 12% and the rest at 15% per annum simple interest. If he received a total annual interest of rupees 4,890, how much did he invest at its rate? Sum anidumag mahana karamba rate thadopage. Let rupees X and rupees Y be the two investments at 12% and 15% respectively. How much did he invest at its rate? Rate khudingmak tam paisa kaya thadabage have rupees X and rupees Y lore. Then adugumba sum anidugidi 36,000 ga mara equation 1. Then interest anidugi sum the ahan X tak lakpa interest this ni PRT by 100 palaga ani suba investment the sum the lakpa amount ni ani si interest ani si punjalaga 4,990. This must be simplified already equation 2 si phange. From equation 1 we have equation 1 the y value solve to equation 3 y value is equation 2 the sentence C. Substituting the value of y from equation 3 in equation 2 we get assume the x katong yaw equation number phange x solve to 17,000 phange. From equation 3 we have y equal to 17,000 x the fishing 19,000 phange. Thus the investments are rupees 17,000 and rupees 19,000 respectively. In a classroom, there are a number of benches. Classroom number the bench kaya marum lay. If 4 students sit on its bench kudimok angang mari pamalabadi, 5 benches are left vacant, bench manga hangaga lay. And if 3 students sit on its bench kudimok sata ahum pamalabadi, 4 students are left standing, sata mari pamamay to the lepaga lay. Find the number of benches, number of bench masing putu and students in the classroom adda leiba bench masing amasung sata masing putuku haibani. Let x and y be the number of benches and number of students respectively. Bench masing na x laurasi sata masing na y laurasi. By question bench x the bench masing x tagi mga lauthokro sai vacant leiba mga left vacant haidi hangaga leiba. 5 benches are left vacant haibani. Phan masing x dagi manga lokthokra maduda mari phamaladi lemhoriba bench masing duda sat mari phamaladi that is 4 times of x minus 5 na y number of students masing phangani which is equation 1. Then amukso bench masing adu sat ahum phamaladi sat mari ama phamam leite haibani adugi phamaliba sat masing ahum phamaliba du adugi thrice x ma sat masing duga phambam leite duna lepiba sat masing 4 do hapselaga number of students y which is equation 2. And is a subtract or from 1 and 2 we have so and is right any manner the left any manner any must be x solve to 24 phange sa bench machine do 24 or from equation 2 we have adugumba x value do 24 pixel abadi y value 76 in number of students sorry. Thus the number of benches is 24 and number of students is 76. 21. The sum of 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 110. 2-digit number amasung number adugi digit sing onthonara phangba number anigi sum do 110. If the difference of the digits of the number is 4 number gi digit singi number dugi digit singi khenaba du 4 ni find the number du putu how many such numbers are there single number kaya putu pongam ni two digit number the let x and y be the digits in tens and units places respectively, then the number is 10x plus y. By question, the original number plus reverse common number d 10y plus x ani ki sum 110 masidagi ko equation number pang equation 1 number ani ki difference to 4 haibani and x minus y is 4 equation 2 masi units place ka tens place kana chawgada ga haibadi mafam asedi x minus y na 4 taragadi tens place le digit na chawhan mani amukso equation 3 y units place le digit na sorry y minus x ko form as equation 3 solving 1 and 2 we get 1 or 2 solved over the x value the 7 lere y ki value 3 lere solving 1 in this case the number is 10 into 7 10 into 7 plus 3 that is 73 again solving question 1 and 3 we have x equal to 3 and y equal to 7 in this case the number is 10 into 3 plus 7 that is 37 thus we get two numbers that is 73 and 37 maramdi in this place ka tens place ka kanana mabani khenaba 4 habani adu digit ani do khenaba le ramena amana chawrani adu case ani le 22. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them saves rupees 200 per month, find their monthly incomes. Nipa anigi income gi ratio sing asi 9:7 ni expenditure na 4:3 orabadi makoi khuding ma lu tha ma de lupa lising ani tungjelabadi makoi gi tha gi income sing do kaya kaya let 9x and 7x be the monthly incomes of the first person and second person, and 4y and 3y be the expenditures of the first person and the second person respectively. By question makoi income money ki khenaba dudi 9x ka 4y ka that is 200 makoi saving dudi aham ni pa saving di 9x income minus 4y mag expenditure khaidokhrani 200 to 2000 pang. This is question 1. Asomna ani suba person income 7x tagi magi expenditure twice y equal 200 equation 2 equation form 1 and 2 according to right ani si mana de left ani mana halani we get twice x equal to y which is equation 3 from 1 and 3 we have 1 and 3 ga equation solve to see we have y eliminate or y eliminate or the s ki value to 200 pang from 3 we have y ki value do kaya tare y equal to 2 into x to the 400. Thus the monthly incomes of the first person is 9 into 2000 that is 18,000 and for second person it is 7x 7 into 7x that is 7 into 2000 that is 14,000. 23. A two-digit number is obtained either by multiplying the sum of the digits by 8 and adding 1, or by multiplying the difference of the digits by 13 and adding 2. Find a number. How many such numbers are there? Two-digit number amasi digit ani adugi sum the sum of the digits by 8. Digit ani dugi sum the 8 na puriraga su phangi adu 8 na puriraga 1 hachalaga phangi or number ani dugi digit ani dugi khena badu 13 na puriraga 2 hachalaga su phangi number do putu u haibani. Let x and y be the digits in the tens place and units place respectively. The number is 10x plus y. By question number aniki sum number to the yalba digit aniki sum the I na purira 1 tinlaga number to tie have any machine equation number p equation 1. Amukso number aniki difference adu the 13 na puriraga 2 abchelabadi number adu phange have any machine so equation 2 phange. Or number anidu 13y minus ahambakshina units place na tens place na chawbasina units place na chawbagini sida simplify to equation 2 phanga 1 ga 2 ga solve 1 ga 2 dagi x to solve to we get x equal to 4 x kanga badi 1 is in the law x ki value 4 do y ki value do 1 phanga in this case the number is 10x plus y ni 10 into 4 plus 1 is 41 like. Again, equation 1 ga 3 ga xy solve to see equation 1 da 23 na puri ro ado 3 tinje lo x mang ki na bagi da ma oina y solve to re y value si phange fractional number phange masi di natural number oidre which is not a natural number. Hence the required number is 41 and there is only one such number adu goma number ama calculate ani le biyaro Thanks for watching.